We're doing exercise 4.2.
Did we start?
Yes, ma'am, we did.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
completed fourth one.
We have done the
No,
fourth
Ma'am, we
question.
completed the fourth one, no?
I forgot it. Once I see it.
4.2.
4.4. Did we start this? Yes, we started this.
Yes, ma'am, fourth question.
Fourth question you started doing?
Yes, ma'am, we completed also.
Ma'am completed.
Chalo, start.
Ma'am, nothing shown.
Very wait because I'm opening this. Hold a minute. I'm opening this. Hold a minute, Papa. I'm not able to do it. How to hide this? Give me a minute. I'm not able to open this. Suraj has come in. I'm not able to do it at the moment. Chalo, you start. That's okay. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Need not look up. Don't look up. Do the fourth one. I'm changing the screen. That's it. Do the fourth one. Amoga, done with the fourth one? All the questions are
Ma'am, we
done.
did
Right?
it last class only.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Has everybody done? Gauri, are you done with this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's Gauri there? Somebody else? is
Ma'am
there?
here.
I know, but somebody else answered. Someone.
Ma'am, I think it was
Yes,
someone.
ma'am.
I know that. Now I've started recognizing your voice so well. Sometimes between Jaipreet and Pranav, I get confused. Okay. Others can move to again the cottage industry question number 6. Chalo, get going. Cottage industry now. I hope everybody knows what it is for. Not
Can you
getting
show the question?
Sorry. You
Can
open your textbook. Hold a minute because
Show the
the
question.
beta the solution is there. I don't want you to see the solution. You open the
The sixth question, right?
sixth question. Open your textbook and do. Till then, let me sort out something.
Ma'am, 4.2.
This is exercise 4.2, page number 76, question number 6. Okay. Till then, let me just look into this issue. I want to have a notepad opened. And you know what? It is sometimes better to look into the textbooks also so that you don't look at the screen continuously. Understood? But when we are doing examples and all, and I tell you, then keep it closed. Chalo, do this. Amoka, do it again, dear. You have done it, I know. Do it again. Practice only for you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Who is it?
I'm
Gautam?
done, ma'am.
Ma'am, Pius.
Pius. Pius, and that's what I was seeing. Awesome speed you people are. Wonderful. Okay, find the number of articles produced. Well, how many? What is the number of articles produced? How much?
got 6.
6.
Ma'am, I got 6.
Ma'am,
6.
6. And cost is 15.
Cost is 5050.
1
Number
5.
1 5.
1 5.
1 5.
Yeah. So 6 and 1 5. All others who have not yet completed, finish this off. Then we'll go to solving quadratic equations by quadratic formula method. Shall I proceed? Everybody has finished? Shall I move on? Amoka,
Yes,
why don't
ma'am.
you
Yes,
switch
ma'am.
off your
Yes,
video?
ma'am.
Ma'am, it started lagging. That's why I just
Okay.
I'll turn it on again.
Amoka, which area are you staying in now?
Ma'am, Gulbarga.
It's a total city place.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Never been there. Tanushri done? Vaibhavi, Tanushri all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I proceed to the next part of the chapter? Vanshika? Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Prerna is still working on it.
Almost done, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So here we go ahead with the solving quadratic equations by a quadratic formula, which was actually discovered or invented, or Indians had only come up with this. Siddhacharya had come up with it. So the formula says that whenever we have any quadratic equation of the form ax square plus, don't have any confusion, they are all plus signs there, plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then in that case the value of x, now what is the value of x? Nothing but it is the root or the solution of the expression is nothing but, can you all see this small blackboard here? X is nothing but minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Just write it down fast. Write it down.
Should we learn the derivation also of this?
No, no need. No need. 100% no need. When you use calculus in 11th, 12th, you'll be doing it. Now, no need. Do this. Just take down the formula. That's it. Take down the quadratic equation and take down the formula. That's enough for now. Ishan done? Have you written? No. Have you put today, now again the date, because this is the second session. So put the date again. Okay. So here it goes. In a proper form, a quadratic standard equation is standard form is this and this, wherein b square minus 4ac is nothing but known as d, which is also known as what? Discriminant. This question Amoga had asked me, I think 2 months back when we were doing another chapter, some other chapter. He suddenly asked me.
Real numbers chapter.
I really didn't understand why, but anyhow. So DISCRI,
Discriminant.
NANT. It's hard to write.
And that is b square minus 4ac.
That is just nothing but equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, depending on this, many things will change. It will tell you about the nature of the expression and all. So please take this down also. So capital D is equal to DISCRIMINANT, discriminant, that's equal to b square minus 4ac. Shruti written? Okay, fine. Taya done, right?
Ma'am, I didn't understand what the discriminant is.
Nothing you need not understand. Just know that is the name. I'll come up to that. Many things, there would be many things that we'd be looking into. Now check this out. Solve, this is one example. Solve 11n square minus 9n is equal to 1. Now the thing is, as soon as you see this equation, understand this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is not in that form. Because, why? Because 1 is to the right hand side. Whereas in the quadratic equation standard form, the constant should also be on the left hand side. So the first and the foremost thing that you will do is bring 1 to the LHS. And thus that changes the sign. So we have 11n square minus 9n minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now compare this with this expression. So what is the value of a you get?
11.
11. Jaypreet, can I have you looking this side?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing?
I was looking in the book.
What is the value of b comparing with the standard equation? Minus 9.
Minus 9.
And what is the value of c?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Be very careful with the sign. Okay. If you write positive 9 and positive 1, you'll go wrong. Because here all the sign are positive. Whereas in the equation that you got, all are negative. Am I clear? Am I clear till this step? Now simply put it into the formula given to you. That is x is equal to. So in this case, there's no x, but the variable is n. So n is equal to minus of b. Can you see? B is already minus 9. So minus of minus 9 means plus 9. So 9 plus minus. Why plus minus? Because root over sign. Square root will always have two values, positive and negative. Am I clear? That is why you have this plus minus sign written here. So it is 9 plus minus root over b square. So minus 9 whole square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 of a. Now do it. Leave the answer here itself. That's it. You will not do, but then bring it to the simplest form. Don't leave it as root over 125. You know that 125 can be further written down as 5 root 5. Please take it down as an example, all of you. Just for a warm up. Just take it down as an example and we'll start.
Done, ma'am.
Any doubts? Hold on. We'll continue as we move to the next examples. Things will get better for you.
Done, ma'am.
Good. Chalo. Okay, now look up. This is another. These are not from this book, okay? And these are not from the textbook. Now, this type of a question. Solve 1 upon 8x square plus x minus 5 upon 2. Now, one of the questions like fractions. Whenever you have fractions, what you will do? This is of no use. Multiply both sides by 8 and all. No need. You will simply take the LCM. So, LCM of 8 and 2 is 8 itself. Understood? So, when you are taking 8 itself and you are taking the 8 to the other side, multiplying it by 0, it goes away. So this is what you get in the quadratic equation format. Do it. Keep on doing it, children. Take LCM and do it. So we get x square plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Comparing this with what? With the standard equation format. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Minus 2 or no, 2 or minus 10.
2 or minus 10. Perfect. Okay, so once you compare, you get A as 1, B as 8, C as minus 20. Now, once you work on that, you put in the values. Rishabh, Switch on your video. I can't even see you, can't even talk to you, Tanushri and all. Moving ahead, all of you have taken this down. Ashwin, done?
It's minus 10 or 2.
Yes, minus 10
Yeah,
or
it's
2.
minus 10
Done?
or 2. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what we were talking about. Jival, don't move your phone that much. The discriminant. This is what we were talking of. So b square minus 4ac is nothing but the discriminant. The discriminant might take a value that is positive, 0 or negative. Based on that, I'll come up with it. It's not written that properly here. I'll come up to other slides. I'll come up. Take this down. Hold a minute. Hold a minute. We don't need it at the moment. Afterwards, I'll need it. So leave it. Not an issue. I'll come up with that. Chalo, let's solve some equations. These are all again practice for you. Do this. Use the formula now and do it. Don't go for middle term factorization. You can do it middle term factorization 100% because they will not ask you. But then now don't do it. Do it for practice by the quadratic formula method.
Ma'am, shall we make it in decimals?
Ma'am, minus 2 by 10 or minus 1?
Yes, ma'am. Minus
Yes, ma'am. So should we convert it?
minus 1 by 5 or
Yes, ma'am. Minus 1 by 5 or 1?
Minus 0.2
1.
or minus 1. Is that so?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't think we need to convert it in decimals.
No, you don't have to. You can leave it as a you leave it. Leave it as
Done.
in fractions, not an issue. Others, wind it up, please.
Ma'am, 10 more minutes to time.
Thank you. Class is till what time? 2, 12?
12:25.
12:25.
Chalo, proceeding. Now let's do some examples from the textbook. So keep your textbook closed for some time, all of you. Any issues? Tell me here. Chalo, do it. Do it. Same type of sums, but you will be doing it using the formula method. Acha, Suraj, can you tell me one thing? What are consecutive odd positive integers? Can you give me 2 examples?
Like 1, 3.
Sorry?
1, 3, 5.
Perfect. Odd positive integers. Perfect. 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So if I say, Apurva, the first small integer is x, okay? Then what should be the next consecutive odd positive integer?
X plus 2.
Perfect. X plus 2. Perfect. Tanushri? The question is, find 2 consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. So what do you think? If one is x, another is x plus 2, Tanushri, then what should be my equation, dear? What is the square of x? Tanushri. Tanushri, speak here. I'm asking
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it? What is the square of x? X square. What is the square of x plus 3? Hey, what is happening? Simple thing I'm asking you. Akash, can you give me the formula, please?
Minus 4 plus
No. Equation. The first equation we'll start to work on.
X square
Ma'am,
plus
done.
x plus 2 the whole square
Okay.
is equal to 290.
Perfect. Perfect.
Done, ma'am.
Go ahead. Tanushri, what is your
Done,
problem?
ma'am.
Are you
Done, ma'am.
waited about? Done, understood. Wait.
Okay.
Let everybody understand it. You're not only going ahead, one or two will not go to write the exam, board exam. Tanushri, what was your doubt?
Ma'am, I just figured out the quadratic equation now.
I was asking you what is square of x? So x square. What is the square of x plus 2? X plus 2 square over. And see, using the formula, you don't even have to do prime factorization method. Simply this is your equation and you solve it. Faster.
Ma'am, x is 11.
X is 11. And what is the other one?
Consecutive odd
13.
integers are 11 and 13.
Minus 13.
Minus 13.
Hey,
No, it's 13. How can it be
13.
minus?
It should be
Given it could have been, but here it is given that positive integer.
Positive.
Read the question.
Yeah.
That is how
Okay.
we have taken two consecutive odd positive integers as x. It could have been negative because integers can be negative. But then it's mentioned very properly.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, ma'am, tell me.
Ma'am, in negative integer cannot be odd or even words.
No, it cannot be. It cannot be. First of all, the question was asking us about only positive odd integers. So when we're looking into that positive side, positive means we'll go positive. And negative integers cannot be odd or even. Take up the example number 12. Here is the diagram for you. So rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters. Breadth is 3 meters less than length. So here only we have to understand what should be x for us. So if x is your length, then the breadth is either minus you go ahead with, or one you can take it as x plus 3, other becomes x, as you wish. If the area, so area of a rectangular plot is 4 square meters more than the area of a park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with a base as the breadth of the rectangular park and at altitude 12. So whether it's isosceles or not, you can use your area formula, half of base into height, and find the area. Go slow. First find the area of the triangle. Try to initialize slowly. Try to link the sum. First, we are talking about rectangular park. So let the breadth be something, let the length be something. Find its area. Over. Then go to the triangle. Already the base will be equal to x. As per the diagram given, the base is x. Height is 12. So area is half, that is of 12 and 6. So 6x square. 6x, not 6x square. And the area of the rectangle is 4 square meters more than the area of the park.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
So this is how it was. Area of the rectangular park was this. Area of the triangle was this. And already it is given that the area of the rectangle is 4 square meters more. So here goes your equation. So this is for your park. This is your area of the triangle plus 4. And thus this was the equation that you get. Any issues? Anybody who did not understand the question, please speak out. Don't do mew here. Speak out properly if any problems, any doubts. That's why I'm doing this example so properly. One by one I'm doing it. Kanika, could solve the equation x square minus 4.
I solved it.
Fine. What is the answer?
Ma'am, the area of the rectangular park, I got it as 28 meters square. And the triangular park, I got it as
24 meters square.
You had got the values of x as 4 or minus 1. So this regarding this one, x is minus 1, we take the value of x as 4 and do the sum. Okay. Ishan, all was clear? Did the sum?
No, ma'am. I'm still doing.
Shall I proceed to the next one? Or the
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 more minute left.
Shall do this one. That's it. 1 more. Okay. Just do this one. That's it. We'll stop here. So for homework, basically you're completing exercise. The previous one, 4.3, 4.2. Very few sums are there in between. I've always been telling your parents that since the homework is very less, do the reference book properly now. Getting time. Find the roots of this. Use the formula method and do it. And we'll stop here.
Ma'am, it is going to be minus 1 or minus 2 by 3.
No, it's 1 or 2 upon 3.
Yes, ma'am.
No minus sign here. Fine. I'll stop it here because it's already there in your textbook also. See that you finish it off.